Hare Krishna and welcome to my YouTube channel called Krishna Story Every Day. Today I have to tell you a story about sugar. One day there was a mother who was so much worried about her small child. Why? Because this child was eating so much sugar. Child was putting sugar everywhere. In milk, in cornflakes, in juice, whatever he was eating, he was putting sugar inside. So mother became very worried because she know that eating sugar is not so healthy for our body, especially for young children. Although it is not something very new, because today children are eating so much sugar, so much sweet. So mother was thinking how to find solution of her problem. So she went to a sage. She spoke to sage how she has a problem, she needs solution, because she know that sugar is not healthy for her child. And the sage was thinking a little bit what should be done. And he said to the mother, he said, please go home and come after 1 week. Maybe then I will help you. Today I cannot help you. So mother went in home. After 1 week she returned to sage. And immediately, as they entered the room of the sage became very heavy. He started speaking so strong words to a small child. That sugar is not good. The children should not eat so much sugar. It will destroy their teeth. They will fall down. Then they will not have teeth to eat. Small child become scared from this sage, and she said to me, and the child said immediately, I will never eat so much sweets. I will not eat so much sugar. A little bit. Mother was so happy by a promise which was given from child to a sage, but he has little doubt. She approached sage and asked him, why you are so heavy today, and you could solve immediately this problem. But 1 week ago, when I came to you, you didn't say nothing. Sage then said something very important. He said, because before 1 week, I was also eating so much sugar and sweets. Then mother understood. Actually, before saying something to others, before starting teaching to others, the most important is that we follow the same things which we want to tell to others. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Yad Yad Acharati Shreshtas. Whatever great person do, other follows. So we should ask ourselves before teaching others, before giving any advice. We should ask ourselves, am I following these words? If you are not following and you are speaking, our words will not have the power. Power is an example. Therefore, there is old saying which say, your example is so big that from him I cannot see you. This is what everyone is saying. Everybody is saying, are you acting properly? Are you have proper sadachar, proper behavior? If you have it, and if you speak about this, then your words has power. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.